What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, if you can't tell by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna see if you can catch a bass using zip ties. I want to make a complete bait out of this, so I've got zip ties, the hook, and I'm gonna try to put the zip ties around this to make them circle. Well, I don't need this actually, but I've got a bunch of nail polish, so we're gonna paint her too. So let's see how this goes. I think we might as well just go ahead and get started. But anyway, before we get started, make sure you stick around to the end because there is a giveaway details how to enter the giveaway at the end of the video. So stick around to the end to find out. But go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. Where to start? We're gonna make a bait. We're gonna make a bait out of this. We're gonna make a bait out of zip ties. Stay tuned. First things first. Thinking the body needs to be the very top of the body. Probably about that wide. No, let's go down a little. About that wide. So we're trying to get a crankbait kind of thing going, which I don't know if it's possible or not, but yeah, we got hot glue gun, and we're gonna use hot glue gun to connect these circles together, held on by this extra strand of zip tie. Dang it. Some bull crap. I should probably be letting the hot glue gun warm up, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the hot glue gun. We're gonna go ahead and move to the inside to a desk because there's not a plug in right here. Hot glue gun's ready to go. We're gonna make another little circle with a little zip tie. Cue the music. so this is what I got now. I think it'll catch a fish. We gotta put a hook on it and place the tire line. So, and I gave it these little flaps. Maybe it'll do a little spinning action. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm thinking we put the hook right here. We're gonna need to reinforce that. Or should we put it right there? Yup. Zip tie. And zip tie this hook down. Right here. Just like that. There is the hook attached to the bait. There's that. Y'all think this will catch a fish? Let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna try to let this dry a little more, and I'll get right back with you. Well, guys, this is basically all I could come up with. Zip ties. I mean, if y'all want a part 2, make a different bait, let me know down in the comments. And since it don't look like it took that long, but it took a while. Anyway, 15 likes on this video. I'm gonna take it to a local pond and see if I can catch a fish with it. But you have to hit 15 likes on this video, and I'm gonna take it fishing. So yeah, I'm just gonna hook the line through the little hole right here, and there's the hook. Hook should stay. I mean, as long as the line's on this and the hook's on this, it should hold. Even if that falls off, I'll still have the fish if I hook a fish. So, oh yeah, and if you made it this far to the video, there's a $500 giveaway going on right now. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, comment, 2 separate comments to help the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends, family, and all the other good stuff. So yeah, Friday, if this video hits 15 likes before Thursday, there will be a video out Friday catching a fish on this bait that I made out of zip ties. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. It's kind of stupid, I know, but it might work. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna test it, and we'll see. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned to Friday when I take this out on the water. But all you gotta do is like the video. Peace.